Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning, productivity, and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you click that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be a great one because we are planning in my daily, hourly Happy Planner. If you have not seen this planner before, it is by Happy Planner, and it is the watercolor hourly planner. And so we're going to be planning out this week, and we're going to be using all stickers from my shop. The reason why I wanted to show you all of these stickers from my shop is because we are launching my Patreon this week. Patreon is a subscription service that if you decide to be a part of the Tom Squad, then you will get stickers sent to you every single month. The subscription service is $10, and every single month by the 15th of the month you will get a new set of stickers sent to you. It can be different icons, it could be also stationery like stickies, or different things that will just come in the mail to you. So if you are interested in becoming a part of the Tom Squad, make sure that you check the description box below. I will have a link to it there, and it has all the full description of everything that you'll get, including the additional videos and different things that you will get from me. So in honor of the launch, I will be using my stickers only for this entire spread, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've written in pretty much everything that I can for this week so far. As you know, I do a lot of planning as I go. I write in as I can, and then I'll just add little icon stickers just to kind of liven up the spread. And as the week goes on, I will just add in more as it kind of comes up. Today is Monday. By the time you see this video, it will be Wednesday, but today is Monday, so I have done some of these things already. Like I am currently filming, and as you know, as I do certain things, I just kind of mark them off. Like I'll just put lines through it, and I like to keep track of the time that I wake up. And so I'll just do all of my markings in red. So as you can see, I've added a couple of icon stickers here, and I will also keep my stickers on me. So I like to keep them in the front pocket of my planner. And then that way I can always plan as I go. I have a pocket here, and I'll just put them there. And this makes it to where I can always plan as I go, and even when I'm out and about, because this planner goes everywhere with me, then I am able to pull out my stickers and plan wherever I am. I do love the use of this stencil. This is the first time I've used it in this planner, but I actually just added the boxes here, and I really love how this looks because it looks very neat and very functional to me, and I really enjoy that. So I'll probably use this moving forward even more, and I also keep it in my planner so it goes everywhere with me also. As I have different things going on, I will always add it here, and then I'm trying to add at the bottom what I am eating on that particular day. I am on a health journey, so I am keeping track of that and keeping track of my weight on the sidebar here. I have another dental procedure coming up on the 15th, so I already know that I'm probably going to take this entire day off, and I'm leaving the rest of this blank to see, you know, how I feel after this procedure, because I know I have like a staff meeting, I have different things going on Thursday, but it may change because of this. So I like to keep that open, and then that way I don't have to scratch out in my actual planner. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and remember, if you are interested in the Tom Squad, please check the description box below. I will have a link there that will send you directly to the page and tell you all about it, about the stickers and the subscription and the different videos that we will do only on Patreon. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one, and until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.